Hello students, in today's lecture we'll see a problem on curve fitting using second degree parabola. The problem is fit a second degree parabola to the following data. So they have given the data here. X data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and Y data is 10, 12, 13, 16 and 19. Solution is, so we'll take the second degree parabola is of the form y is equal to, I will take ax square plus bx plus c and I will do equation number 1. So here also we need to prepare a normal equation for this. So and we have to get the values of a, b, c after simplifying that. So the normal equation is the normal equation to 1. So multiply summation on both sides. Summation y is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x plus n into c. Then multiply both the side x here. So x summation xy is equal to a into summation x cube plus b into summation of x square plus c into summation x. Again in the previous equation you multiply x, it will become x square y is equal to a into summation x raised to 4 plus b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x square. So for this I will give equation number 2. So now with the help of this we have the value of x, y. We need to prepare a summation of y, then we need to prepare a summation of x square, summation of x, value of n, summation of xy, okay, summation of x cube column, summation of x square already we have taken, summation of x is already we have taken, then summation of x square y column we needed, summation of x raised to 4, summation of x cube already it is there, summation of x square already we have taken. So like that many means we need columns like x column, y column, x square column, then xy column, x cube column, then x square y column, then x raised to 4 column we needed. So these many columns we needed with the help of the value of x and y. So let's see the table now. So now in the table the values, we need x column, y column, then xy column, x square y column, x square column, x cube and x raised to 4. So this we have to collect it from the, means we have collected from the equation 2 only. So summation y will get from this, summation of x square will get from this, summation of x will get from this, summation xy, then here x cube will get here, x square already we have taken, summation x already is there, x square y we have this column, x raised to 4, x cube already we have, x square. So these are the columns we have to collect from the equation 2 only. So now only we have we know the value of x and y. So value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Value of y is 10, 12, 13, 16 and 19. Now we need to prepare x into y. So here we have summation of x, summation of y, then summation of xy, summation of x square y, then summation of x square value will get here, then summation of x cube will get here, then summation of x raised to 4 will get here. So we'll calculate. So 1 into 10 is 10, then 2 into 12 is 24, then 3 into 13 is 39, 4 into 16 is 64, then 5 into 19 will be 95. So if you add all x, you will get 15. If you add all y, you will get 70. If you add the value of xy, what we have multiplied, then we have to take the addition, it will become 232. Then you have to add for x square y, then means x square y means better you prepare a formula here like that. So shift x square, okay, sorry, alpha x square into y, alpha y, go for calc option. So x value is 1, y value is 10, so how much will get? 10. Write it. Next again it will ask the value of x is 2, y is 12, so resultant is 48. Alright, 48. Fine. Next is again x value is 3, y value is 13, you will get 117. You have to write 117. Next, equal to sign you press, it will ask the value of x is 4, y is 16, so it will be 256. Next, equal to sign, it will ask the value of x is 5, y is 19, so 475. Fine. So we need to add this, so we'll get on adding we'll get these values as x square y will be 906, it will be 906. Next we need to square for x value, so 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. Add this, you will get 55. Next, x cube, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So if you add these all x cube column elements, it will become 225. Next, x raised to 4, 1 raised to 4 is 1, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 3 raised to 4 is 81, 4 raised to 4 is 256, and 5 raised to 4 is 625. So if you add these values, you will get 979. So these are the summations we got it. So these summations we need to apply in our equation number 2, and we'll see the equations, and if you solve those equations, we'll get the values of the constants a, b and c. Let's see that how to simplify. Now I have recollected all the summations once again. So this, and we know the value of n is 5 here, means counting of values of data is 5. So these values will apply in equation number 2, summation y. So summation y is 70 is equal to a is a constant, summation of x square value is 55. So 55 into a plus b into summation of x. So summation of x is 15. So 15 into b plus n value is 5, 5c. Next, second equation, summation xy. Summation xy is summation of xy, it is 232 equal to a into summation of x cube. Summation of x cube is 225 into a plus, next term is b into summation of x square. summation of x square is 55, so 55 into b. The next term is c into summation of x is 15 into c. Second equation completed. Third equation, summation x square into y. Summation x square into y is 906 equal to a into summation x raised to 4. Summation x raised to 4 is 979 into a plus b into summation x cube, that is 225 into b, plus c into summation of x square, it is 55c. Or I'll rearrange this 55a plus 15b plus 5c, 15b plus 5c equal to 70. Similarly, 225a plus 55b plus 15c is equal to 232. Similarly, 979a plus 225b plus 55c equal to 906. So these equation will solve in the calculator and we'll see what is the solution. So let's see how to get these values from using the calculator. Fine. So go for mode equation, that is option 5, equal to sign. So you can see that we need a, b, c. So choose it here, which equation having a, b, c. A, B, C, second equation, press 2. So again it will ask the value of first coefficient, second coefficient, third coefficients, that is 55, 15, 5. Next, D belongs to constant, that is 70. Then second equation values, 225, then it is 55, next is 15, next the constant is 232. Next, third equation, 979 equal to 225, next is 55 and 906. So press equal to sign. So it will give the first value of what they will give, it is value of a, second value is b, third value is c. So x is equal to 2 upon 7, so which is nothing but a value is 0.2857. We got it. Okay. Next, similarly, once again you press equal to sign. So we got 17 upon 35, SG button. So b value will be 0.4857. Once again press, we will get the value of c. So c is equal to 9.4. So we'll go for again final arrangement. Up to 2 decimal place we will fix this one. So which implies a is equivalent to here 0.29. Up to 2 decimal place we will fix it. So a value will be 0.29. So b value will be 0.49. And c value as it is already in decimal, proper decimal, so it is 9.4. so therefore the equation 1 becomes, so equation 1 is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we'll apply here. So y is equal to, a value is 0.29 into x square, b value is 0.49 into x plus c, that is 9.4. So this is a required fit for the given second degree parabola. In this way we need to simplify a problem based on second degree parabola using method of least square cells.